Make I tell this. Bolivia, I not deal with you now. I deal with Nigeria problem. Good morning, my brothers and sisters. God bless all of you anywhere on a day. As far you are in Africa, truth must set us free. And truth is us, and truth is God. The systematic of the problem we are now in Edo State, did you like it? A presiding officer of a state will be discussing how the state will be all right. A tout will be challenging the presiding officer. Then you are telling me everything is all right. How can it be all right? I'm not telling you that Obaseki is 100% good. But in the real sense, let's say the truth and let the devil be ashamed. I'm not the talk lie. I'm not a member of APC. I work with APC. Do you know why I work with them? When PDP came on board, they were destroying Nigeria. I work with PDP because I'm not a politician, I'm a critic. Any person who is good, not my friend. The one who said the way PDP they manipulate us, everybody not change. Say, me and Mr. I don't agree. I'm when you show say no go agree. Now so different activists the verse. Then Gani, all those our great fathers, our great brothers come the verse. Say, this government, they did not mean well for us. We need to tumble this government and give the righteous government to rule. That is why we all fight for Aboki People's Congress, which is APC. On the long run, later, the man that we think that is a Messiah was a disgrace. Why will we not go verse? We go verse, we go change. If my papa good today, no good tomorrow, I know if we talk again. Just say the truth and let the devil be ashamed. Like this present, wetin dey happen now, the problem when they happen for Edo State. Now because of say this governor no patronize talk start. All those kind of people when they destroy those things, when they beat our mother for market, when they tell us say now they get the state. Now make them they probe this guy. Now make them they quarrel with her. And they tell you now the truth. If you watch Edo State this time now, school or camp, no be say money do, no be say everything good do, but all those kind gra when they do say they say na dem be this, na dem be that. If you do anyhow, wa do adegbe we no magba, umi no gba. E wa we agboligile lege ya. More understanding eh? You know there again. How can a tax be challenging the presiding officer of the state? Then you are telling me Oshomole is a saint. Adam, do you remember we all fight for you? I do a trailer work for you. But when you enter power, the motion you started that make us to follow you, say no man is God, that Godfatherism is abolished. But today, you want to practice Godfatherism in Edo State, it will not work. Go and tell your followers, you, reason yourself, sleep well. You told me that Chinton Aneni, in my present, I was the musician that stage. When you hold my microphone and tell me Godfatherism, anytime when we see him, make we stone her to death. Then you are practicing it now. You are telling the government how you go manage the government. Then see all those useless idiot, those garage boys. You weren't supposed to become a farmer. Whose school you go? When you go, they say, now you get the government. And they tell you through Tony Kabaka, you are my brother. You remember I stayed with Osulachi Farala of Benin. If you remember in those days when we did for Benin, now we stay together. But you be correct, man. Go and work with your brother. As your brother say no need that below, leave him alone. Then if you're not going to use the money, it will say that the money they quarrel for now say, Obaseki, no they act him, you know they do better thing. Than to say you say, he don't carry you along. Who are you by the way to carry along? Which work you learn? What is your qualification? Did you go to school? Graduate is suffering. Agbelo is enjoying. You weren't supposed to work with graduates. A person that the father and the mother finances education has no work. You want me say opportunity crack your show give you a rambako the dance. You don't small money when you say you know manager. You get work when they celebrate 1 billion. And they tell you truth. Leave Obaseki alone. Go and settle with your brother. Osakmawa no molest. John Miyakin. Now try they tell you now. Leave what happened yesterday. Your time is over. Another pikin go come back again. Now only you dey. You learn work when you be say you build better 5-star hotel. You learn work when you dey buy tractor, dey buy pits. Sakpama no molest. So this governor say he want make Edo State better. The flood when Adamole Ali Oshomole live for ground now we see they suffer for Edo State. Una no remember Ogbemudia. Sagbo no Ogbemudia. I don't remember late Ambusale. They have structure. This man have structure. I see him in spirit. That is why I'm telling you this. I'm not a member of your party. I work for people that say the truth. If you are a bad man, I will tell you are a bad man. You are not God. And you can never be God. Adam Aliyu is just trying to deceive you because he's a garage boy. Adam was opportune. Chiton and then he flag him the power. Adam would have been a tailor. He go, they sew cloth for me. The national chairman, when they betrayed the president of this country now, supposed to be a tailor, he go, they sew cloth for Buhari. But God bless him. As God bless him, as he don't finish his tenure, make him leave another man again. Make him manage his tenure. If he no good, now we be the masses. Now we go to quarrel. Not be you when for a benefit from inside. Tony Kabaka. I tell you my mind though. Take a easy now. Why are you punishing the governor? What has he done to you? He kill your person. Because he don't want to make you collect that money again. And when you they slap women. They tell your family member they fuck them up. Then you call the use Arabako say you want this. You know fit disturb the governor. You know. My father tell me say person when they keep person and person they kill him. You when they say you get power, you no get power. Power when you get one day now person go reduce am for you. And they tell you the truth. So you have to leave this governor alone. Oshomole, Adam, leave this governor alone instantly. Otherwise, you go see the wrath of God. It will soon fall upon your family. You will be disgraced. And when your disgrace come, you no go feel like. I beg you in Jesus' name. This governor, if you check the system when this guy they do, if they try make it arrest the Edo State, when Oshomole spoil, Oshomole bring tat, bring garage boy and I call the rich. Idiot, when you even go school, useless and majestic, bow for you. This man say no, you no go work. Let him package this government. Then because you know see the money now again now, you know be celebrate 1 billion again. You in this Kabaka get money. It to say the same they work money. Kabaka you know how to work money. You want be say you know if you get hard. You want your one shot. Opportunity crack. You no go leave the rest make they enjoy.
Why they talk? Now
so it be. I dey tell you my mind. I'm telling you my mind. I'm telling you my mind. And I'm still crying that you should leave this governor. Freedom. This governor, we may vote him out tomorrow morning. If he's not doing well. But if he's doing well, we will fight for him. We are not a member of Setimeka. We are a member of the righteous, the Almighty, the highest God in heaven. Check out wetin this governor dey do. The central hospital when Oshomole thief money, when you say Oshomole national, Oshomole you dey craze. Who be you when we say you be national chairman? You get level. You want be thief. You want thief Edo State money. You want pastor. Reverend Father carry go court. Here DSCC. They no fit carry you. They no fit challenge you because of say you dey dance Arabako with the Lucifer. Do you think Lucifer has power? Adam. Leave Obaseki alone. No go area. It's a proud of Almighty. John Miyakin, leave Obaseki alone. Oranomigo, I tell God beg you. I know you as a truthful man. I want to warn you. Don't cheat the cheater man. Cheater man already know cheating. Don't cheat God. God already know who was cheating in. So just leave Obaseki alone. Obaseki is not my friend. Obaseki, I've never sat down one day and seen him. I've never done a wine since I work with any party. No any party have bought me anything. Because I'm a righteous man. I don't beg you your money. What I beg you for the state to be all right, give me water to drink. Give me good road. Give me electricity. Give me job opportunity. Let my family be happy. I will be glad. If only me is eating, I'm a coward. If you are eating, I'm eating, I'm rejoicing in the house of God. That is why I work with God alone. Why will Tony will come out? You are talking to governor anyhow. Tony, you the crazy, you no get sense. No dey respect person. It will say Nigeria no spoil. Somebody like you in the white man village. When I went to Madrid, Spain, for la brother Q3, when you are a tat, they put you behind bar. Tupac were behind bar. Arma Shakur, which is more than you. It's notorious more than you. It's a mafia. Libawo, even Aro Kelly was in behind bar. They are mafias. You are an artist and you have a wisdom. Don't punish the governor. Leave the governor alone. Go and work with your brother. Oshomole did not mean well for you. He just flag you small money and manage this money. Now go and open investment. That money will see that you don't already open one investment. If only one person get that total when you get for this life, you no go regret again. What are you fighting for? Do you want to get the whole world and lose your soul, Tony Kabaka? That's what they tell you. If you lose your soul, devil will hate you. You have already excelled with ordinary conny way when you take make your fucking bastard money. This governor, you know what he's supposed to do for you? To say you cool down, you respect yourself, he go place you in a good form. You know go to commit crime again. You are a crime holder now. Do you know how many people you with your brother assassinate in this Edo state? Then now God don't forgive you. And this governor no want make you they commit crime again. Want you to rehabilitate yourself and know your left from your right. And you are deceiving Edo state. And you are telling people say they buy Gary for you. Who will buy Gary for you? You dey crazy. You will take your money, buy your Gary and your granite. Because now you first cost the granite. You know how many granite you don't knack? Tony, I'm telling you the truth. Leave Obaseki alone. Obaseki is not my friend. I don't even beg Obaseki to come and greet me tomorrow. If he come my place, if he not repair my road, if he come my place, I'll drive him. I don't beg his money. Money cannot take you eternity. Money will only give you pleasure, but it will not give you life. Capital offense is money. Many shall die before me, or me shall they depend. Nothing do without me. Everyone need me. But the last fight is I'm the root of all evil. And money controls you now. You don't see this money again now. Akugbe venture don't close. When you take they collect 14 million every day for Edo State. All the Edo State boys they follow Tony Kabaka. Tony. How many times I warn you? Leave Obaseki alone. If you don't want to go to be Oshomole, after una Regina, Oshomole is going to jail. He go tell us the money when he steal from this state. Then Obaseki go stand for doc. Shomole go stand for doc. We go check the banners and the question. Who be the righteous man? I'm telling you the truth. If you like, you listen. If you like, you don't listen. I'm not afraid. I did not lock my door. My door is open. Death is inevitable. You can call at any time. I'm not afraid of death. You are crying now, say you don't want to die. Say me the carry you go prison, you go prison. They'll buy Gary for you. Gary when you throw wave for inside a Kyoba market, Ogbelaka market, now they won't give you. Gary when you throw wave for you, New Benin market, now they won't give you the grace Tony. Leave Obaseki alone. I tell you my mind. I live in Edo State. I'm from Uromi. I'm a truthful man. I don't talk lie. I'm waiting for your pump. Come, let's settle the matter once and for all. If the crocodile get power, you go know say Python. Now they control for inside the sea. We are mafias. So leave Obaseki alone. Just go and settle with your brother. That is the problem I have for you. Just go and meet Obaseki. Need that say you no go do again. Say Oshomole self no mean well for you. If Oshomole mean well for you, he go tell you say now if I tell us say Godfatherism is abolished. Osakmawa no molest. I dey tell you my mind. John Miyakin, I tell you my mind. I don't know the rest too, cause me I no be politician. I no go school, but I get wisdom, I get knowledge, I get understanding. That is why I'm a truthful man. I never join black to white. I never destroy. I always plan good. If you are right, I'm all right. If you are suffering, I'm suffering. If you are enjoying, I'm enjoying. If two gather, three must be there. That is what we will do for this governor. Leave this governor. Now we go decide, say, whether the governor good or he no good. Not be you when you don't benefit. When you don't, you know, the flag you want illegal immigrant job now. When you take enrich yourself now. When you go EU, Dubai, go to celebrate billions now. You will not even know anything. You will not write any EY. You cannot write your name now, Tony now. Talk true now. So leave Nigeria, leave Edo State, leave Obaseki, leave me. Let the state be all right. One love, my family.